Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install a ceiling fan. Let's get started. Alright, so the tools that you'll need is a screwdriver with a Phillips head bit. You may also need light bulbs if you're using a fan that has a light. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fasten the blade to the fan. To fasten your blade, you just want to take the blade, put it on the arm that should be mounted on the fan. If you don't mount the arm on the fan, there's some screws that you could use. And then you just want to tighten up those screws. There should be a washer on each screw. And what you want to do is tighten these blades. Now with 3 screws per blade. So I'm just finger tightening these right now with my hand. And then I'm going to tighten them down using a Phillips head screwdriver. There we go. That goes good. And that's good. Nice and tight. And I've already got the rest of the blades done. Now it's time to hang the fan. Alright, so I've fastened the mounting bracket to the ceiling. And on that mounting bracket should be 2 screws already inserted in there. We've got a wall control down there so we don't have to control the fan using the chains. The pull switch is provided. We've got a wall switch down there, so we've got 2 black wires. This one's heading to the light, this one's heading to the fan. I'll show you how to wire it up. Alright, so what you want to do is take your fan, there should be a cable on it. Take your fan, carry it by the light, make sure the glass cover's not on the light. Then there should be a cable like this one that you'll want to fish through the box. And then, so I'm trying to fish it through the box. And hook it onto the cable. Well, hook it onto the hook. There we go. So now the fan is there so that you can wire it. Alright, so now that your fan is suspended, you can go and wire it. There should be a black and a blue wire on the fan. The black wire goes to the fan, so I'll hook it up to the black wire. If you have only one black wire, you'll want to hook both the black and the blue. We have 1 black wire for the fan, 1 for the light, so we're going to hook the black wire on the fan to the black wire in the box. You want to hook that up in place. There's a blue wire on the fan. Connect that to the wire for the light. It could be black or red from your ceiling box. So connect that up using a wire nut. Make sure that's nice and good. Then tuck that out of the way. Connect your ground first though. Connect your white wire from the fan to the white wire in your junction box or ceiling box or whatever it is, electrical box. Connect that up using a wire nut. There you go. Tuck it all out of the way, like I'm doing. And those 2 screws, what you're going to want to do is take your fan, position it to where you'd like, then make sure it's hooked on there nice, and then take it and twist. The fan should lock on. If it doesn't, make sure that you Make sure everything's nice and snug. So in this case, I'm going to check the other side. The other side looks like it's compressing on the ceiling. So let's make sure everything's not in the way of the screw. The other side here, and twist. Latch on both sides. That's not good yet. The fan looks like it's very secure. Feels like it's secure, but it's not yet. Because there are these other 2 screws. That's why there are 4 screws on the mounting bracket. You want to attach those to firmly secure the fan in place. So what you want to do is take your screw right here, and there's another hole up in there. It might be close because the drywall's in the way. What you want to do is just tighten up those screws. I'm going to cut the camera off because this is going to take quite a while. Next, install your glass covers and your light bulbs. Okay, let's do the other 2. Alright, so now all of the light bulbs are turned on. The fan won't turn on yet because the breaker's not turned on. But so far everything looks good. So now I just want to, because this was set on to high speed when I took it down from a different location. So I need to set that back up. There we go. Alright, so now we're at the breaker. So let's turn it back on. And we're good. Alright, so now we've got the breaker turned on, so let's turn on the fan. The lights work. And let's turn it on to the lowest speed just to be safe. And just to make sure that nothing is gonna fall down. And I highly recommend standing under it so that it wouldn't come down. I will have to fix the noise issue on this because it's definitely humming really bad. And for that you could put some foam inside the casing and it would work just fine. Let's check the second high speed. The noise issue really isn't that bad. Pretty secure. First with the light. There we go, high speed. Now you want to make sure that nothing is wobbling. If something is, you'll want to rebalance the fan. Nothing appears to be wobbly at all. So yeah, I think we're good. Now while it's on the high speed, I'm going to show you the wall control that we've got set up. Alright, so with the fan turned on, we've also got this pre-existing wall control already here. We're going to see if it works with this. So if we should turn this down, it should dim down the light. There we go. And I'm going to turn off the fan and stop it from spinning. Then we're going to try it. The fan control, I'm going to turn it on low first. There's low. Guess that's medium. And that's definitely high. Alright, so everything works. Light works. Fan works. So I guess we're good. There we go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you learned something. The same instructions goes to all Genera ceiling fans. Hopefully you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.